beautiful. What we're seeing right now is not smoke, just a cloud layer, and our air quality is awesome. We're taking a look at the green on the map. Fantastic. Now, in the gray colors for Omak, Chelan County, Wenatchee, etc., these spots are still going to be struggling with, at times, high concentrations of smoke. It's difficult to see that. And sadly, there could be some smoke in our backyard Monday and Tuesday. We're going to have winds starting to come out of the northeast. We're going to have a thermal trough developing tomorrow in Oregon and California. So we're going to have winds blowing from the northeast into that trough. It acts like a vacuum in the atmosphere. So these same winds coming from a somewhat easterly direction could drag in that haze from wildfires. So I do think tomorrow and Tuesday we could be down to moderate air quality readings, and in some cases unhealthy for sensitive groups, especially near the Cascades. It'll be hot on Tuesday with a high of 87 before we back off to the mid-70s on Wednesday, and we're going to ride out the remainder of the 7-day in the 70s. Let's get a look at radar right now, because some of us are seeing a couple of sprinkles, a very light shower for parts of North Snohomish County right now, near the Skagit County line 2, near Darrington. You're seeing some pockets of light rain. We kind of go from morning clouds to late afternoon sunshine, 65 at noon, a refreshingly cool morning. If you're doing any hiking today, it's going to be a much better day for it compared to the thunderstorms we were watching for yesterday. I do think there could be a lightning strike over the North Cascades, but that possibility is really diminishing. And when it comes to water sports of any kind, I think a lot of people prefer hotter air temperatures to offset the cold water temps. But this morning is going to feel on the cool side with all those clouds, and then a mild afternoon. Let's take a look at your futurecast, because even as late as noon today, there still could be a lot of clouds, some sprinkles out there. The forecast models are disagreeing about how rapidly the clouds lift, but I do think some sun breaks are a possibility between 3, better potential of blue skies at 6, and a lovely sunset on tap for tonight. High temperatures, the mid-70s across the greater Seattle area. We got you in the upper 70s, Puyallup, Lakewood, Tacoma at 77, Everett, Monroe, Mount Vernon, Arlington. You're in the mid-70s, and temperatures out along the coast in the upper 60s for Forks, Aberdeen, and Long Beach. Let's get another look at your 7-day forecast. Things get uncomfortably hot on Tuesday as we spike to 87, and stay tuned because this forecast is, vulnerable to change. We're down to the mid-70s on Wednesday, and I do think starting Wednesday and thereafter, thanks to winds out of the west-southwest, both at the low and the high levels, it's going to help to push some of that lingering smoke out of our backyard. So a gradual improvement to air quality for the middle to end of the upcoming work week.
Comment, like, and subscribe right now.